Finding the vertex of a quadratic equation. Now, in finding the vertex of a quadratic equation, we can make use of a certain formula, or we can write the given equation into the form y is equal to the square of the quantity x minus h plus k. Let's take this as an example. Find the vertex of the quadratic equation x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, we are going to write this into the form y is equal to the square of the quantity x minus h plus k. So by additive inverse, we have x squared plus x plus blank is equal to 6. Now we will make use of perfecting the square. So we're going to do it this way: x squared plus x plus space is equal to 6. Now the value of b here is 1, or any value of b there, you are going to divide it with 2, then square it. So the result is 1 over 4. So that is why we have here, we add 1/4 in the left side, and we also add 1/4 in the right side. So the result now is, okay, the square of the quantity x plus 1/2 is equal to, okay, 25 over 4. How do we get 25 over 4? That's 6. Okay, we have 6 plus 1/4, or 1 over 4 is equal to, okay, 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1, it's 25 over 4. Then write this equation into this form, so we get this one. So by additive inverse, we get square of the quantity x plus 1/2 minus 25 over 4 is equal to 0. So what is our vertex? Our vertex is h and k. What is h? So our h here is negative. Negative times positive is negative, so we get negative 1/2. Our k is negative 25 over 4, just copy negative 25 over 4. We can also make use of, as I have said, we can make use of a formula. So we can make use of this formula. For h, we have negative b over 2a. So we substitute values. B is 1, a is 1 also. So we have 1 over 2 times 1, we get negative 1/2. Then for k, we have 4ac minus b squared over 4a. We substitute values. So we have 4 times 1 times negative 6 is negative 24. Then 1 square is 1, so that's minus 1. So negative 24 minus 1 over 4. That's negative 25 over 4. So our vertex is negative 1/2 and negative 25 over 4. Now what is this vertex? So when I say vertex, it is the turning point of our graph. It is the turning point of our graph. Okay, in this case, for example, so we have our equation. Okay, our equation, this one. And of course, our vertex is this one. Our vertex is, this point A is our vertex. It is the turning point of our graph. Our vertex is where the parabola reaches the minimum point. Again, it is where the parabola reaches the minimum point. The graph of a quadratic equation is a parabola. So, these are roots, and this is our vertex. So, we have -1/2 and -25/4 as our vertex.